7.3. Are you qualified? Vocabulary. Qualifications. 1. A. Work in pairs. What do the words in bold mean? Which words are shown in the photos? 1. What qualifications do you have? Apart from school exams, what other exams have you taken or will you take in the future? Qualifications. If you have a qualification, you have passed an exam or course to show you have a particular level or skill in a subject. 2. In your country, do you get a certificate when you leave school? Certificate is an official document that shows something is true or correct, e.g., a document showing the exams you have passed. 3. Do you have a driving license? What other licenses can you get? Driving license is an official card that says you are legally allowed to drive a car. License is an official document that gives you permission to do something or own something. 4. Have you ever done an online course? Online course is a series of lessons done using computers.
5. Is distance learning popular in your country? Is it more popular than face-to-face learning? Which do you prefer? Distance learning is a method of study that involves working at home and sending your work to your teacher. Face-to-face learning is studying with another person, i.e., talking to them in the same room. 6. For which professions do you have to do an apprenticeship? Does the company usually pay you while you do your training? Apprenticeship. Period of time where you work for an employer in order to learn a skill. 7. Do you have a degree? From which university? Degree. A qualification you get when you finish a course at university. 8. Do you know anyone with an MA or a PhD? On what subject and in which university did they do it? MA. A university degree that you can study for after your first degree. PhD. The highest university degree. An online course, distance learning, face-to-face learning, and an apprenticeship are shown in the photos.
B. Discuss the questions in groups. Function. Clarifying opinions. 2. A. Work in pairs and discuss. Do you think people with a lot of qualifications are usually intelligent?
Do you think people with a lot of qualifications are usually intelligent?
Not always. Some people study hard and get many certificates, but they might not be very creative or practical.
I see what you mean. What you're saying is that intelligence isn't only about studying.
Exactly. It's also about solving problems and understanding people.
That's true, but I still think that having many qualifications shows a kind of intelligence, like being organized and focused.
Yes, that's a good point. So maybe there are different types of intelligence.
Unit 7. Recording 5. It's interesting. One of the most intelligent people I know is a 10-year-old boy from Egypt. He doesn't go to school, and he works in a touristy area in Cairo. And he sells things to tourists, little souvenirs. Now, the reason I say he's intelligent is that he can sell you something in about 15 languages. I once spent an afternoon watching him, and it was incredible. Most of the time he uses English, but he guesses where you're from, and then he starts speaking your language. For example, he can speak a little bit of French, Spanish, Japanese, Italian, etc. It's amazing. He knows enough in all these languages to say hello and sell you something.
How did he learn the languages?
I asked him that, and he said he learnt them by talking to tourists.
That's amazing. Just talking to people, you can learn so much.
So, like I said, he doesn't go to school, but for me, he's super intelligent. Let me give you another example. I have a friend who built his own house. He just taught himself how to do it. Bought some land, bought the materials and the equipment, and just did it. No qualifications, no certificates, no university degree.
In my view, that's impressive. I couldn't do that.
This is someone who left school at 15 to do an apprenticeship.
Degrees and certificates aren't everything. But, having said that, I do think qualifications are useful in some ways. For one thing, they show that you're able to complete a course, that you're motivated enough.
Yeah, I think that's true.
But I must say, real-life experience, travelling and meeting people, these give you an amazing education too.
Exactly, that's what I was saying. Like the boy from Egypt.
B. 7.5. Listen to two people discussing intelligence. What do they talk about? A. Intelligent animals. B. Intelligent people. C. Intelligent technology. B. Intelligent people. C. Answer the questions, then listen again to check. 1. Why does the man think the boy from Egypt is intelligent? The boy can sell you something in about 15 languages. He guesses where you're from, and then he starts speaking your language. 2. Why does he think his friend is intelligent? What did the friend do? The friend built his own house. He taught himself how to do it. 3. Why are qualifications useful according to the woman? They show that you're able and motivated enough to complete a course. 4. What else, according to the woman, gives you an education? Real-life experience, traveling, and meeting people also give you an education. 3. A. Complete the phrases in the table. Offering opinions. The reason I say he's intelligent is that, for me, in my view, I do think, I must say, giving examples. For example, let me give you another example. For one thing,
Unit 7, Recording 6. 1,
In my view,
2,
I do think,
3,
I must say,
4,
for one thing,
Unit 7, Recording 7. 1,
in my view, that's impressive.
2,
I do think qualifications are useful in some ways,
3,
but I must say real-life experience, travelling and meeting people gives you an amazing education too.
4,
For one thing, they show you are able to complete a course.
.3. A. Underline the correct alternative. 1. Jackie has been so nice. For example, she took us to the cinema. 2. You all think that the new restaurant is great, but in my view, the food isn't that good. 3. Ibrahim said the concert was disappointing, and I must say I agree. 4. Shakespeare borrowed most of his stories. Let me give you an example. The plot of King Lear is taken from a much older story. 5. I like that laptop. I do think it's a bit heavy though. 6. People love the Rolling Stones, but for me, say, this is Led Zeppelin is the greatest rock band. 7. Dogs are the best pets. The reason I say this is because they are so faithful. 8. You should buy that mobile. For one thing, it looks fantastic. For another, it's cheap. 4. Complete the sentences with the words, phrases in the box. Do you agree with the statements? Use the phrases from 3A to offer your opinions and give examples. 1. I must say many creative people are bad students. For example, most artists and musicians don't have many academic qualifications. 2. For me, qualifications aren't that important. For one thing, they don't show a person's character. 3. In my view, face-to-face learning will disappear. The reason I say that is because people want to study from home, so they prefer distance learning. 4. I do think geniuses often have personal problems. Let me give you an example. Van Gogh. 6A. Complete the conversation using the phrases below. Like I said, that's what I was saying. Having said that, I think online courses are great if you can't travel to class. Having said that, I prefer to have a real teacher. I agree. You'll learn more with other people in the room. That's what I was saying. An online teacher is not the same. I've done some online courses though. It was really convenient because I could study at home. They're great for people who can't travel. Like I said. Speaking. 7A. Read the job advertisement. What type of person would be suitable for the job? Would you like this job? Why? Why not? Guides needed for eco-tours cruise ships. Location? Along the River Nile. Salary? £20,000. Duration? 6 months. Includes 4 5-week tours. Duties: introduce tourists to the plant and animal life of the Nile. Organize day trips for tourists. Write a blog. Candidate must speak Arabic, English, plus other language. Have tour guide license. Have university degree. Qualifications in biology and/or land management. B. Work in groups of 3. Students A, B, and C read about your candidate. What benefits can they bring to the job? Are there any skills or qualifications they don't have? Candidate A. Sarash Perera, Sri Lanka, 42. Was a tour guide in Sri Lanka, 2 years. Geography teacher in Saudi Arabia, 10 years. Licensed tour guide, MA in Geography. Speaks English, Arabic, Tamil. Knows Egyptian culture and people. Hobbies, sailing and swimming. Candidate B. Dr. Ahmed Nassari, Egypt, 54. Biologist, 20 years, experience in 11 countries. PhD in marine biology. Wrote 3 books on marine biology. Writes for biology journals. Speaks Arabic, English, basic German. Will take tour guide exam next month. Wants to research Nile animal life. C. Present your candidate to your group. Who should get the job? Why? Candidate presentations. Candidate A. Suresh Pereira. Background: Suresh is a 42-year-old from Sri Lanka with significant experience as a tour guide and geography teacher. Qualifications: he holds an MA in geography and is a licensed tour guide. Skills: speaks English, Arabic, and Tamil, and has a deep understanding of Egyptian culture. Benefits: his teaching background and cultural knowledge can enhance the educational quality of tours. His language skills facilitate communication with a diverse clientele. Potential gaps: he may lack local industry experience in Egypt and familiarity with modern tourism technology. Candidate B. Dr. Ahmed Nassari. Dr. Ahmed is a 54-year-old biologist with 20 years of experience in 11 countries. Qualifications: he has a PhD in marine biology and has authored 3 books on the subject. Skills: speaks Arabic, English, and basic German. He is preparing for the tour guide exam. Benefits: his extensive knowledge in biology and writing skills can provide unique insights into the local ecosystem, especially in a tourist destination like Egypt with rich biodiversity. Potential gaps: while he has a strong academic background, he may lack practical tour guiding experience until he completes his exam. Candidate C. Delilah Olufunwa. Delilah is a 28-year-old from Nigeria with a background as a TV actress and model, now working as a tour guide. Qualifications: she has a degree in performing arts and is physically fit, being a qualified scuba diver. Skills: speaks multiple languages including English, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and is studying Japanese. Benefits: her performing arts background can enhance storytelling and engagement during tours. Her fitness and diving qualifications are advantageous for adventure tourism. Potential gaps: limited experience in formal tour guiding compared to others, and her focus may lean more towards entertainment than education. Recommendation for the job: Candidate B, Dr. Ahmed Nassari, should be selected for the job. Reasons: expertise. His extensive knowledge in marine biology can provide guests with unique insights into the local ecosystem, particularly in a tourist destination like Egypt with rich biodiversity. Writing skills: his experience as an author and contributor to journals showcases strong communication skills, which are essential for engaging and educating tourists. Dedication to learning: his commitment to taking the tour guide exam indicates a proactive approach to enhancing his qualifications in the tourism sector. Global experience: his work in multiple countries suggests adaptability and a broad perspective, which can enrich the visitor experience. While all candidates have their strengths, Dr. Ahmed's combination of scientific expertise, dedication, and potential for growth makes him the best fit for the role.